Hi, I'm Suzanne Lyons. I'm the founder of CooperativeGames.com. I'm also a teacher and an author, and my most recent book is the Cooperative Games Bullying Prevention Program. I'm super excited about this book because it takes a new approach to preventing bullying through playing cooperative games. And games that are in this book were actually tested in a university study and shown to reduce aggression in young children. So this is a very novel approach, and yet one that's based on research and common sense, because children learn through play. And if we want them to learn cooperation and the ability to get along, share, be kind with one another, let's give them games that are structured so that those qualities have to be present in order for everybody to win the game together. So there are many kinds of cooperative games, and it's a field that's starting to really take off right now. I think this book is going to take advantage of the momentum with cooperative games and put it to a fantastic practical use, preventing bullying. Please check it out on cooperativegames.com or on Amazon or iTunes. Thank you very much, and good luck and have fun.